Your teacher probably told you the golden ratio is just a number, but that is the least interesting thing about it. Because this number quietly appears in flowers, seashells, ancient buildings, and even your face. And once you see it, you can never unsee it.
The golden ratio is usually written using the Greek letter phi. Its value is approximately 1.618. But what makes this number special is not the decimal. It is the relationship it represents. Take a line and divide it into two parts. If the ratio of the whole line to the longer part is the same as the ratio of the longer part to the shorter part, then that ratio is the golden ratio. In symbols, a plus b divided by a equals a divided by b equals phi. No tricks, just a perfectly balanced proportion.
Humans noticed this ratio long before calculators existed. Ancient builders did not call it phi, but they used it. Look at the Parthenon in Greece. The ratio of its width to its height closely matches the golden ratio. Look at the Great Pyramid of Giza. The slope of its faces forms a proportion astonishingly close to phi. These buildings feel right to the eye, not because of decoration, but because the proportions match how the human brain expects balance.
In summary, when proportions are random, the brain works harder. On the other hand, when proportions follow the golden ratio, the brain relaxes. That is why these structures feel timeless. Now, here is the part that surprises most people. The golden ratio appears in the human body. Measure the distance from your head to your navel and from your navel to your feet. The ratio is often close to phi. Look at the face, the ratio between the width of the mouth and the width of the nose, the distance between the eyes compared to the width of the face. Faces that are commonly judged as attractive tend to have proportions closer to the golden ratio. This does not mean beauty is mathematical. It means the human brain has evolved to prefer certain proportions.
This is not a rule, it is a tendency. Beauty is not a formula, but proportions influence perception.
The golden ratio is not magic. It is not mystical. It is a mathematical expression of balance. From galaxies to flowers, from temples to faces, this one ratio quietly shapes how the world grows and how we perceive beauty. And now that you know it, you will start seeing it everywhere.